Welcome to the Canvas Academy Basics course. This course is not only going to show you exactly how to follow along and paint with us here at Canvas Academy, but also provide you with the basic skills and technique that you will need to become a great advancing artist. We're going to cover everything from like basic how to mix your colors to how to actually apply those colors to the page and how to blend them and use your brush on your canvas. And every class in this course, or almost every class, will come with downloadable and printable files that you can use in reference to help you kind of take our classes and follow along with us and learn at your own pace and learn however you learn best. You can reference back to any of these classes at any time that you're here on Canvas Academy, and you can use them as a resource to really help grow yourself as an artist. So I hope you're ready to pick up a paintbrush and get started.